Question number 4. Write the symbolic form of the following switching circuits. Construct its switching table and interpret it. Here this is circuit, and write the symbolic form of this circuit and switching table and interpretation. Here write down solution. Here S1, S2 dash, S1 dash and S2. 4 switches. Write statement. Let P switch S1 is closed, Q S2 is closed, negation P S1 dash is closed, and negation Q S2 dash is closed. And last, L lamp is on. Right here. Then symbolic form of the given circuit is L is equivalence. L means lamp is on. Lamp is on when these statements are here, then this statement is equivalent to this L. Since we write here L is equivalence. L means lamp is on when this statement is switches is in this condition, then we say it is equivalent to L. Symbolic form is, this is P1. S1 means P statement. S2 dash negation Q. This is negation P and Q. P or negation Q, or in bracket negation P and Q. See here, this is the statement, symbolic form of this statement. Now this statement write in bracket P and negation Q or negation P or Q. Its input output table is given as below. 2 statements, then we write, draw 4 row and write P column 1 1 0 0, Q column 1 0 1 0. Negation P, opposite of P write in this column, and negation Q, opposite of Q write in this column. P or negation Q means disjunction. P disjunction with negation Q. This P with disjunction Q. 1 disjunction 0. 1 means T and 0 means fall. T disjunction F is T. Since we write here 1. Again 1 disjunction 1 is 1. Means T disjunction T is T. Again 0 disjunction 0 is 0. 0 disjunction 1 is 1. Similarly, negation P and Q. This negation P, conjunction and conjunction here. Negation P and Q, third column and second column. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. And 1 and 0 is 0. And last, L statement. L means this statement. P or negation P or negation P and Q. Means this column disjunction. This is disjunction. Disjunction with this statement. Negation P and Q. Here disjunction right. 1 disjunction 0 is 1. 1 disjunction 0 is 1. 0 disjunction 1 is 1. And 1 disjunction 0 is 1. This is last truth value of this statement, whole statement. Since the entries of last column are all 1, in this last column entry is 1, and 1 means switch is on, then it is denoted by T or 1, true. This is true statement, means in this circuit current will be always flow. Since the entries will always flow in the circuit irrespective of the status of switches. That means in this circuit current will always flow any condition of switches. Any condition of switches, current will always flow here in this circuit, because here all entries is 1, means statement is true, or current will flow in this circuit. Next, second, see here diagram. Here S1, S1 dash, S2 dash, S1 and S2 for two statement and negation. Write here solution. P switch S1 is closed, Q switch S2 is closed. Negation P opposite of S1 means S1 dash is closed, and L lamp is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is L is equivalence. Again, see here S1 means P, negation P, negation Q, P and Q. This switch is parallel to these two switches, since P1 or these switches write in bracket negation P and negation Q. See here negation P and negation Q, or P and Q. These three switches again parallel to these two switches. In bracket write P and Q. See here P and Q. Now again next, this switches write in bracket P or negation P and negation Q. Take bracket to this statement. Its input output table is given below. Two statements P and Q, since rows are 4, and write its value negation P and Q. P or Q, this P or Q, and last column write this whole statement which is equivalent to L, since we write here L. L means this whole statement, and its truth value is 1101. Since the entries of last column are identical with the entries of column P or negation P and negation Q, the entries of this column is same as this column. 1 1, this is 1, this is 1, here 0, here 0, and here 1, here 1. Since we write the current will flow through the circuit if switch S1 will be parallel with the series of switches S1 dash and S2 dash. This is S1. P means S1 is, or this symbol is or, means parallel. This is parallel with the series S1 dash. This is negation P means S1 dash, and negation Q means S2 dash. See this last sentence. If switch S1 will be parallel with the series of switches S1 dash and S2 dash. This statement write in the sentence. Next, see here in diagram, switch S1, S1, S2 dash, S3 dash, S2 and S3. Three statements. Right here P, switch S1 is closed, Q, S2 is closed, R, S3 is closed, negation Q, switch S2 dash is closed, negation R, switch S3 dash is closed, and L lamp is on. The symbolic form of the given circuit is L is equivalence. Start from these switches. S1 is parallel to S2, and S2 is parallel to S3 dash. Since we write here P or negation Q or negation R. These three is series with these three switches. Since we write AND, this is AND. In bracket, this is P1 or Q or R. P or Q or R. Q or R. Now again this negation Q or R, write in bracket. See here, P or negation Q or R. Second step, P or in bracket negation Q or negation R, and P or negation P or Q and R. Its input output table is, see here, P statement, Q and R. In P statement, write for 1 and for 0. Q 2 1 2 0, alternative right here, and R 1 0 1 0 right here. Negation Q, negation R right here. Next is negation Q or negation R. This is second step here. Write in bracket negation Q or negation R. Next, P negation Q or R. This statement is, see, second step, this first bracket, in bracket P or negation Q and negation R right here in this column. And next is Q and R, this Q and R right here. And next is P or Q and R, means second bracket, second step, second bracket, square bracket is P or in bracket Q and R right here. And L means this whole symbolic form is right here. This whole is right in this column, and find its truth value. Then we get 1 1 1 1 0 0. Since the entries of last column are identical with entries of column of P, this P column, this value is same as this value. Since the current will flow through the circuit if there is only one switch S1, means here current will be flow if switch S1 P1 is, sorry, P means S1 is on. Next example, question number 5. Obtain the simple logical expression of the following. Draw the corresponding switching circuit. Here switch statement is given that we draw a circuit. Simple logical expression. See the solution. Let L is equivalence. First statement write as it is, P or in bracket Q and negation Q. Now apply complement law to this bracket. Complement law means P and negation P is false, F. See again law. Complement law, associate law, distribute law. P and negation P, complement law, P and negation P is F or C. We write also C means contradiction. And next is P or negation P is T, means tautology. We write also small t. See here, P and negation P means F or C right here. Also we write here F, capital F, or C. C means contradiction. Now again apply identity law. Identity law means P or F is P, or P or C is P. This P right here, this is identity law. Let P switch S1 is closed. This P means switch S1 is closed and L lamp is on. Since the corresponding switching circuit for L is equivalent to P is as follows. This is only P statement, means S1 switch here. Show that here. Next example. Statement in bracket negation P and Q, or again bracket negation P and negation Q, or P and negation Q. Solution. See this statement, L is equivalent, write down L is equivalent to given statement, write down first step. Now apply distributive law. Distributive law means, see here, negation Q and negation Q. Take common here negation Q, and this bracket write down as it is. Negation P and Q are in bracket negation P or P and this and this negation Q and negation Q right here. Negation Q write down. This is distributive law. Next, apply complement law. Complement law means, see here, yellow underline this bracket. Negation P or P is T. This is complement law. Means in general negation P or P is capital T or also small t. Apply this law to this bracket and write here T and negation Q. Now apply again identity law. This bracket write down as it is here, negation P and Q, or identity law means T and negation P is negation P. See again, P and negation P and T is P, P or F is F, P or F is P, and P or T is T. Since we write here small t, P or negation Q. Apply again. This bracket means P. P and T is P. Since we write this bracket as it is here, and write down identity law. Since statement is P is a statement, switch S1 is closed, Q switch S2 is closed, and second negation P, this negation P, switch S1 dash is closed, and negation Q, switch S2 dash is closed. Here if negation P and negation Q, but we write first positive statement P and Q, and then write negation P and negation Q, remember, and last write L lamp is on. The corresponding switching circuit for L is equivalence negation P or negation Q as follows. Negation P means S1 dash, and this is parallel to negation Q means S2 dash. This is the diagram of this statement or circuit diagram. Next example. See in bracket P or negation Q or negation R and P or in bracket Q and R. Solution. Let L is equivalence right here. This statement write down as it is. Now apply De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. See again. De Morgan's law. negation P and Q is equivalence negation P or negation Q, or this another negation in bracket P or Q equivalence negation P and negation Q. This is De Morgan's law. Since this negation Q and negation R write in out of bracket, negation this negation write in out of bracket, this P write down as it is, this R write down as it is, but here change is negation is write in the out of bracket and write Q and R, and this bracket write down as it is here. And now here and this P and this P is take common. Distributive law apply here. Distributive law means common statement P write in take common P and this P, and this R write down as it is, and remaining is negation Q and R take in bracket, negation Q and R and Q and R, this write down in bracket, and this P and this P take common. This is distributive law. Now apply complement law. Complement law means, see again, P and negation P is F, P or negation P is T. This is complement law. Since P and negation P is F or C right here. C means contradiction or F. This bracket is suppose P and this bracket is P. This is negation P and P is F or C right here, C. This is complement law. Now apply identity law. Identity law means P or C or F is P. See again, identity law, P and T is equivalence P, P or F is equivalence F, P or F is equivalence P, and P or T is equivalence T. Here capital T is denoted also small t, and capital F is also denoted as small c. Since we write here P or C means P statement, this is identity law. And let the P switch S1 is closed. P means S1 is closed and L is lamp is on. The corresponding switching circuit for L is equivalence P is as follows. This is only S1 switch or P. This is the diagram for this statement. Next example. See here. This is statement P and Q and negation P, or negation P and Q and R, or P and negation Q and R. Solution. Let L is equivalence. Write down given statement. Now apply associative law. Associative law, see again. Associative law, P and in bracket Q and R equivalence P and Q and R, or equivalence P and Q and R. This Q and negation P write in bracket. see here, second step, this P write down as it is P and take bracket to these two statements, Q and negation P, and again here negation P and P take in bracket, this here negation P and P write down in bracket, and again this P and negation Q take bracket here, underline, green underline, see here P and negation Q, right here bracket. This is associative law. Now apply commutative and associative law. See here, see again commutative, associative. P or Q is equivalence P or Q or P, and P and Q is equivalence Q and P. This is commutative law. Associative, P and in bracket Q and R, P and Q and R, or P and Q and R. This Q and negation P right here, this negation P right in first position and this Q right in second position. This is commutative law, negation P and Q. Now again, an associative means this statement and this statement right in bracket, this bracket, curly bracket show here. This is associative law apply to these two brackets. This statement and this statement right in curly bracket, and this is associative law applied to these, and commutative means this negation P right in first position and this Q right in second position. Now again apply associative law and distributive law. Associative law means here apply to this bracket, this P and negation P right in bracket, see here P and negation P right in bracket, and this Q right out of bracket and Q. This is commutative law. Again distributive law means this R, common R, this R and this R take common, see here this R right in common and remaining right in bracket, negation P and Q or P and negation Q bracket close and R. This is distributive law apply to this bracket, and associative law apply to this bracket, and write down associative law and distributive law. Now again apply complement law. Complement law, see again P and negation P is equivalence F, P or negation P is T. This is P and negation P is C, C or F right here. Apply complement law to this bracket, P and negation P is C, and this and Q write down as it is, and this bracket write down as it is, or in bracket this bracket write down as it is, and write here complement law. Now next use identity law. Identity law means C and Q is C. Identity law applied to this bracket. C means F, F and Q is F, but here we write C, and this bracket write down as it is here. Write identity law. Now apply again identity law. Identity law again apply means this is C or this bracket suppose P statement, or we know that P or F or P is P. Since write this bracket is P, suppose See again law, identity. P and T is P. P or F is F. P or F is P. And P or T is T. Since this C means F, F or this bracket means suppose P. C, F or P is P. Since write this P. Since this is the statement and draw a circuit. This is the circuit for this statement. Negation P means S1 and series with Q statement means S2 statements. Parallel to or means parallel. P means S1. This switches to parallel to P1 and negation S2 dash, and again series with S3. See this diagram. First write P, Q, R, negation P, negation Q, and L lamp is on. The corresponding switches circuit for the L is as follows. This P1, negation P1 and Q, or P and negation Q, and R means S3 means R. This is the diagram for this